Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to remove your baseboards. What's going on? Welcome to today's video. My name is Colton. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to remove baseboards from a bathroom, but really this applies to any room. This is one of the first steps that I take in preparation for new flooring. Sometimes people don't like to remove the baseboards, but personally, I think it always has a cleaner look. So these steps can be applied to a large room, small room, or any area that has any baseboards that you want to remove. And the biggest thing you want to remember is just protect the wall when you're trying to remove those baseboards, and don't break the baseboards if you're trying to reuse them. The tools that I use for this project are a utility knife, scraper, pry bar, my hammer, a scrap piece of wood, pliers, and a Home Depot pencil. The time that it took me to complete this project was about 20 minutes, so let's get started. I like to start with using my utility knife and cutting the silicone caulking that's on the top. You may need to take a couple passes, ensuring that the paint is separated from the baseboard. Now grab a putty knife or a scraper knife and lightly tap it in between the baseboard and the wall. And I like to use my pry bar, and you may need to reuse your utility knife to ensure the silicone isn't pulling the paint off the wall. You may also want to protect the wall by using a board or something to make sure you don't leave a dent in the wall while you're prying off the baseboard. And using a board will actually give you a little bit more leverage in order to pull the baseboard off of the wall a little bit better. You're essentially trying to find the nails that were used to fasten the baseboard to the wall and pry there so you don't break the baseboard. Once you've removed the baseboards off the wall, you will probably still have some finishing nails in the baseboard, so either try to pull them out with pliers or cut them off. You may also want to clean up the baseboards by scraping off any excess carpet, grout, or dirt. And if you're planning to reuse these baseboards after a nice new fresh coat of paint, a pro tip: write a number on the baseboard correlating with a number on the wall where the baseboard goes. Pull out or hammer in any remaining finishing nails and you're done. Thank you so much for checking out today's how to remove a baseboard video. If you liked what you just watched, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, consider subscribing. If you want to watch other how-to videos that I've completed in the past, go ahead and click this link right up here. And if you want to watch other videos that are related to this bathroom renovation project, click this link right over here. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.